Hey everyone, we're here with the banana phone. No, just kidding. It's actually the Nokia 8110. If you don't remember, I think that phone came out originally back in the 1990s. Might be the 1996 exactly. And this is now sort of a 2018 version of it that can connect to 4G networks. So, of course, it has a similar design, but it's a little more round, curved, I believe. Has this beautiful banana color, and of course you can see bananas over there in the background, so they're sort of playing around with it. But this phone has a little more than meets the eye, and sadly we can't really show what I mean yet, because yeah, it's a feature phone that you can make calls, browse the web, you know, sync Gmail, your Outlook, and that kind of stuff. But it also will eventually get Google Assistant support, and the same with Google Maps, Google Search, and even Facebook and Twitter. Sadly, those apps aren't preloaded onto the phone right now, but we can't wait to sort of see how all that works on this feature phone. You get your, you know, stock email apps, note-taking apps, recording apps, Snake even, like we saw last year when Nokia revived the 3310. This is now their second original phone that they're sort of bringing back. So this phone, I believe, is going to be available in April 2018, and it's going to cost 79 euros. So again, it can connect to 4G networks. You know, it's a plastic device. Still feels pretty nice, compact. If you need something to just, you know, as a burner phone or secondary to your smartphone, this might be a good alternative. It lets you still stay connected. And again, we're really excited to sort of see that Google Assistant integration, that Google Maps integration, just to see how it all works on the Nokia 8110 4G. So no word yet if it's coming to the US, but let's cross our fingers.